Hey everyone, welcome back to Ibiza Solutions. Today we have a super practical tutorial lined up for you. We're going to walk through the process of giving access to your Amazon account to another email address. So let's get started. First things first, go ahead and log in to your Amazon Seller Central account. Once you're in, head over to the upper right corner. Now, let's click on Settings. Perfect! In the Settings menu, scroll down to the User Permissions section. You'll see an option that says Add a new user. Click on that. Now, you're prompted to fill in the user details. Enter the email address of the person you want to grant access to. All right, almost there. Review the information to ensure it's accurate, then hit Send Invitation. Amazon will shoot an email to the recipient with instructions on how to accept the invitation. And there you have it. You've successfully given access to your Amazon account. It's a simple process, but a powerful way to collaborate effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Amazon.